Gold in 2026 doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Here are the 5 things that matter. Investing in gold in 2026 is mostly about picking a simple lane, not having perfect timing. You can start without thousands by buying small denomination coins or bars, or by adding gold exposure inside retirement accounts. You don't need to call the top, because gold is usually a long-term hedge, not a day trade. If you use a gold IRA, the rollover is straightforward paperwork and storage is handled for you. Just remember, a gold IRA has real recurring costs. Before you buy anything, understand the 3 access paths. Physical gold you hold through a dealer, a gold IRA for retirement funds, or paper exposure like ETFs. A gold IRA always runs through an IRS-approved custodian, and many rollovers qualify, like old 401ks and traditional IRAs. The IRS purity rules are strict, generally 0.995 fine for bars, so not every product works. You also must choose approved storage, and even simple physical purchases usually require ID for compliance. A clean gold plan starts with choosing the vehicle that matches your goal: retirement hedge, long-term savings, or quick liquidity. Then pick coins or bars, knowing coins often trade with higher premiums, while larger bars can be cheaper per ounce, but harder to sell in small pieces. Always compare your all-in price to spot, because that markup is your upfront hurdle. If it's an IRA purchase, confirm eligibility first, open the right account, then fund it and place the order. If you go the gold IRA route, set expectations like a process, not a checkout cart. Setup and rollover often take 2 to 4 weeks, because the custodian and your old plan move funds on their timeline. The metals stay deposited in an approved vault, and your storage choice can affect your net return through annual fees. Your custodian reports holdings each year, and selling usually means accepting a dealer spread. Cash liquidation also isn't instant, so plan ahead. Most gold investing mistakes in 2026 come from rules and friction, not from gold itself. Collectible coins often aren't IRA eligible, and home storage inside an IRA can trigger taxes and penalties if you take constructive receipt. Fees stack fast: setup, annual admin, storage, and the buy-sell spread, so you have to price the whole package. Buyback terms can matter more than marketing promises, and coins usually cost more than bars. Know why you own gold before you choose the product. If you remember one thing, home storing IRA gold can trigger taxes and penalties. The Smart Investor Gold Investing Agent matches you to options based on your goals and investment size, then shows the real dollar cost difference between providers over time. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.